Musamseleku what he did to Makwela is not fair. He managed to took a loan for Mangwabe, Mayeni and Macele and buy houses for them, but not Makwela. Makumalo is better because she managed to buy her own house. What about Makwela? And he was keeping demanding kids to Makwela, and now Makwela is pregnant with a second child and she doesn't have a place to stay. I don't understand Makwela why she carry another second child and Musamseleku didn't buy a house for her. Even Musamseleku, he can say Makwela can stay at Macele's old house. How, guys? Musamseleku doesn't value Makwela. He wants to use that girl because now that program, guys, DSTV double their own salary. You know that Musamseleku now have got more money on DSTV because of Makwela. Makwela was the one who bring more drama on Utando Nestembu. Makwela deserve her own new house, you understand, than to stay at Macele's old house. I don't understand because Macele have got a son, Lwahle. Lwahle and his wife are those people who are supposed to stay at her old house in Sipak. Musamseleku to buy a house for Makwela like other wives. Musamseleku was the one who is breaking that girl because Makwela now is tolerating. You will see at 5 years as Mangwabe she was doing. You know that sometimes you can judge Mangwabe, but Mangwabe was broken, guys. Mangwabe can't say some of the things Musamseleku was doing to her. Like now he is doing to Makwela. Makwela, she is going to be broken because you can't choose her, guys. Like maybe you don't value her. You can, why you can't took another loan? Because Musamseleku took a loan. We know that he didn't buy those houses with his own money. Why he can't took a loan for Makwela? You understand? Because Makwela, when he says Makwela is his wife, why he can't took another loan to buy a house for Makwela? It's not fair what he is doing. And that girl, she is tolerating, but she will end up broken. What I saw. Makwela, if she is intelligent, Makwela have to do something with her own salary. Makwela is earning a salary on Utando Nestembu. She have to manage. Even sometimes you know that you say, I want to wait for my husband, but there is no need. Makwela have got her own salary. She have to build a house at her village or to buy a stand. Yes, Makwela can manage, guys, to buy a new stand if that municipality gave her a stand. Makwela have to take to build, not to compare herself with those wives, to compare with Mangwabe's house, Mayeni's house. You have to build your own normal house, not to wait for Musamseleku. Because what I saw, Makwela, guys, when she is waiting for Musamseleku is getting old. And Musamseleku can die anytime and she doesn't have a place to stay with her own kids. So she have to take that opportunity when she is earning money on Utando Nestembu to do something for her kids. You know that, guys, sometimes that's why you saw Makumalo have got a good life in her life. It's not about Musamseleku. Musamseleku is claiming all those things that he did 1, 2, 3 to Makumalo because Makumalo managed to achieve her lifestyle. You understand it? Guys, Makumalo, you've got salary on Utando Nestembu. Makumalo, open your 2 eyes. Open businesses, Makumalo. Join other programs. You saw Ozomshado or Housewives of Durban. Makumalo joined those programs. Guys, Makumalo was everywhere on DSTV. She was trying to fix her own life. And Makumalo buy a mine with their own money. You understand it? Makwela can do it with that small salary. She can say it's a small salary. Look at those people. Makwela is earning a lot of salary more than other people who are working in government here in South Africa. You understand it? But those people who are working in government, those policemen, teachers, they have got their better life. They build better houses. Makwela, there is no need to wait for Musamseleku. Even Musamseleku can give you small money. Makwela can have to do something for her kids than to wait for Musamseleku. Because what I saw, Makhumalo didn't wait for Msamseleko. You understand? She have to open her eyes, Makwela, to build her own house, not to wait for Msamseleko, because it is going to be a disaster. Makwela to stay to another woman's old house. I don't understand. I don't understand at all. Makwela have to think about herself and kids.